on to the next story then. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal is on a 3-day official visit to France and Italy, where he will meet the WTO chief in Paris. She urged Goyal to join the Investment Facilitation for Development proposal. Now remember, India has consistently opposed the proposal. My colleague Sumita Karir is joining in with the details of that. Take it away, Sumita.
That's right, Union Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal, who's on a 3-day visit to France and Italy, held a couple of very critical and important meetings over these past few days. And that also includes his brief meeting with WTO chief, wherein the Commerce and Industry Minister reiterated India's stance of a rule-based multilateral trading system. So that was from Minister Piyush Goyal's side, but the WTO chief, while speaking to reporters in France, spoke about the fact that India needs to open its investment facilitation for developing countries. And that aside, she also was supportive of the fact that WTO needs to be supportive of India's issues related to agriculture. Now, this particular proposal related to investment facilitation for developing countries, remember, it's being backed by China. And India has been slightly wary about it, and India has been pushing against that proposal. So that one came up. Of course, India has also been pushing, so far as the WTO is concerned, India has been pushing for its stance against the imposition of tariffs by the United States on steel and aluminum. So India has registered a formal protest. That's the backdrop of those WTO meetings. But other than that, the Commerce and Industry Minister held a couple of other very interesting meetings with officials from Israel, Economy and Trade Minister, and of course several other dignitaries from Singapore, France as well. He met with the Trade Minister as well, and of course the Digital Economy, Finance and Industry Sovereignty Minister as well. So those meetings, of course, are aimed at increasing bilateral cooperation in areas of economy and trade. And other than that, he also held gave an address at a CEO forum, wherein a large contingent of business leaders both from India and France were present.
All right, thank you so much, Sumita, for getting us all those details.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.